I'm pretty excited. I'm starting a new YouTube channel, reviews and how-tos. I'll be reviewing primarily tech gear, but I may do some other types of reviews if there's an interest or a demand for it. It'll be anything from cameras to lenses, mouses, or would you call them mice if they're more than one? Tripods, wireless headsets, a little dusty, microphones like the one I'm using, or like one that you could use as a boom mic or mount it to a camera, as well as podcasting mics, which the one I'm using now could be a podcasting mic. This one could be a podcasting mic, and then headphones, boom arms, dongles. It's a funny word. Different types of lighting, SSDs, audio interfaces, shock mounts for the microphone. Do you need a microphone like this? Do you need a shock mount? And let's not forget about these little pop filters that are supposed to make things like your S's and your P's a little less sharp. External monitors, different types of filters, whether it's for camera lenses or for drones, or the new DJI Pocket 3 camera. Oh, this one's a popular one, but does it live up to the hype? I'll let you know, at least in my opinion. Other DJI items include drones and gimbals. The other thing that I want to do with this channel is actually do tutorials, and that's the how-tos part. There are a lot of folks out there who want to make videos and they just don't really know what to do or how to get started with them. Anything from landscape videos to vertical videos. Which one should you do and why does it matter? Does it even matter? How to use different types of software, whether it's just right from your phone or on your desktop or laptop, such as Canva. And then other types of editing apps that you can use, again, right from your phone, like InShot. How do you create a video and then splice it together? You know, some of the simple things, but then also some of the more advanced editing as well. Other types of tutorials on just how to do certain things, how to set up lighting, like the lighting that I have in here. You don't need it like this, but the light box versus the panel light, the colored lights, where do they sit so that the lighting is right and it doesn't like make you look all like a weirdo or whatever. I'm pretty excited. And I hope you'll join me on my journey with reviews and how-tos. Let's do this.